Okay, this next integral may not be your typical integral, but you can try to reduce it down into something that is your typical integral. Let's just let's make this easier by doing a substitution. So we'll let a equal e to the x plus 1. And we see that dA is equal to e to the x. So then we now have this integral that is what? It's, 1 second, dx. It is simply just e to the x dx a, and then this over here is the same thing as dA. So now we have a nice integral, which is what? dA over a, which is ln of a, which is what? Look at that. Which is ln of e to the x plus 1. And plus some constant c. If you wanted to, I guess you could, do something with this. Just leave it like this. This is a good answer. Here you go. Just like that.